Welcome to the English class topic adjectives. Games of personality try using adjectives. What would you like to have? A clear house or a dark house? If you prefer to have a clear house, you are an optimist person. If you prefer to have a dark house, you are a pessimist person. You have a cup. Would you like to drink in the cup an expensive liquor? You are a romantic person. If you like to drink a cheap liquor, you are not a romantic person. What about a garden? Do you like to have in your garden different flowers? You are a sociable person. If you don't like different flowers in your garden, you are not a sociable person. What about a building? If it is new, you are not a religious person. If it is ancient, you are a religious person. The wall. If you jump the wall, you are not patient. If you walk and enter by the door, you are a patient person. And what about the swimming pool? If you enter in the swimming pool and swim and instead of raining, you are a decided person. If you don't enter, you are not a decided person. According with this game of personality, use adjective to describe your personality. Example, I am an optimist person. Adjective describe characteristics of person, animals, or things. Thanks for your attention.